Hello guys, GlennShiraishi here with a new unboxing. Well, I didn't do a lot of those in a while. But the package from this time is from Red.Commerce. Well, let's check it out. This could probably the Figma that I ordered. The one from Nanoha Strikers. Wait a minute. Oh god, invoice. Stay away, invoice. Now go away, package. Yep, I was correct. Subaru Nakajima Figma from Magical Girl Lyrical Nanoha Strikers. Man, I really like the box art. It has the Belkan Knights magic circle logo go in the front. A picture of Nakajima Subaru in a pose. Here we have the Figma brand name, and yeah, the underside of the box has another posing Subaru with the Figma logo, and yeah, the back shows a lot of poses which you can put the figure in. All in all, quite awesome. So many thanks to Red.Commerce, and see you all in the near future.